So a while ago this battery charger broke on me, and it's where are they? It charred its fuse connector. So I've basically soldered in here and here the fuse that comes out the front here instead of having a connector. This is a car battery, and yeah, it looks like it's fixed because that ready has gone to off and it's charging. I've got a way overkill fuse in here, that's 30 amp. I probably want to put that as a less, and this is a battery that is not very good, to be honest. It's very dead. Yeah, anyway, not many screws, 1, 2 on the bottom, 2 at the top, and then this security screw, so pretty easy job. Thanks for watching.